Hi everyone. So I wanted to jump on really quick and give you a Hurricane Dorian update. We are in coastal Georgia, zone 8B, and the Hurricane Dorian was in our path. But before I get started, I want to thank each and every one of you who has reached out to me. You sent good thoughts, you sent prayers, you sent support, and I really do appreciate that from the bottom of my heart, because that just means a lot that we have such a caring community, and you just really have some great people on this earth. And my thoughts and prayers goes out to each and every one that were affected by the hurricane. We did get a little debris. The winds are high, like right now as we speak, but nothing compared to what I see online, especially in the Bahamas. Now, Hurricane Dorian is not finished. It's currently going up the path of the Carolinas. What I think kind of saved us is the storm, or the hurricane, moved a little bit to the east. For our area, they did mandatory evacuations for anyone that's east of the I-95, and voluntarily evacuations for anyone that was west. We're a little bit more inland. We were west, and it was my intention to ride it out. So let me give you a quick backstory, and then I'm just going to share with you everything. So let me give you a backstory. Okay, y'all. So Saturday morning, we left to go to my middle daughter's home that is north of Atlanta. And the plan was to come back Monday and leave around 10 o'clock. And what I did was I prepped everything in and around the home so that Monday I could just pick up where I left off. Everything would be great. But the kids here, they said that they didn't have to go to school that Tuesday. And I didn't well, actually, I took the whole week off, so I didn't have to go to work. So I like structure. I like a schedule. I like to stick to the schedule. I don't like willy-nilly stuff. That's what I say. Don't just do stuff willy-nilly, because that bothers me. And I've tried to, my husband always gets on me about packing too much and taking all this stuff. So I tried to pack enough. So things didn't go as planned. Today's Thursday, September 5th, and willy-nilly stuff went on. Now, I'm in the seed starting room, which that's what I'm going to make it into. And I say that because as each of my daughters move out, I have 3 daughters, I turn their room into something that I want. And so this is going to be the seed starting room. And then when my youngest daughter moves out, I'm going to make her room into something too, because that's just what I do. So, anyway, I did soil blocking. Let me turn the camera around, because I did soil blocking for my fall gardening this year. I'm just trying it out, and I'm loving it. Lisa Mason Ziegler, go on her website, The Gardener's Workshop, and she that's the method that she used. So I wanted to try it. You can fit so many plants on there, and I really love it. But let me turn the camera around so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so I hope you guys can see. Let me move up here. So basically, this is what happened. So I prepped everything, did an extra watering for my soil blocks, and the heating mat is up under here. Now, even though this is my first time doing the soil blocking, even if I have the 72 trays, I put them on the heating mat, and when they get about 75% germinated, I'll take them off. And these were not 75% germinated, so I didn't take them off. This one is not on the heating mat, and this one is like halfway on, halfway off. I'm thinking the onions will be okay. I'm just going to try to cut some of these brown tops off, and hopefully I can save those. But I will tell you, the pansies, and I got white sage, lamb's ear, I really don't think they're going to make it. You see this water in here because I just got back today, maybe like an hour ago, and I just tried to put some water on there to see if they would at least get a little bit of light back. But I really don't think they'll make it. Let me get closer, because it was dry for those days, and then a heat mat was on there, so they pretty much got fried is what happened. So it's okay, because the main important thing, and I'll turn the camera back around, hold on. As I was saying, it's okay, because for me, the main thing that I'm concerned with is safety. We have our power, we have food. Other people don't have that right now. So if I have to start over, if I have to buy some starts from somewhere, or if I just eliminate them, that's fine. I don't have a problem with that. I'm just showing you some of the things that went on and how everything looked after Hurricane Dorian went up the coast of the Georgia coast. So I'm looking outside. It's still windy outside. So I'll just take like a video and just probably do a voiceover, because I don't want it to be like really noisy in the back. So I'm going to go through my seeds and see what all I have. And I just may start some more pansies again, because it's still like in the 90s, y'all. It's September 5th. And I think yesterday was like 93, 94. So I just still may, I'm gonna see where I'm at after I do the outside, because I still want to pick up the debris. We need to cut the grass. Some things, not a lot, got knocked over. But we'll see. But anyway, so that is the update of Hurricane Dorian. And if you're in the path, make sure you stay safe and be safe. And my thoughts and prayers go out to the ones that have been impacted and directly hit. I did get an email from Baker's Creek Seeds this morning. If you're not on the mailing list, definitely get on there, because they send out good emails with different specials, maybe sometimes coupons. But what they did have this morning was, now until, I either want to say September 7th or 10th, one of those dates, that if you purchase any seeds, 100% of the proceeds go to Hurricane Dorian. And to me, I think that's a win-win. If you've been wanting seeds, you can get the seeds, but you're also helping those who are in need. So I'll stop talking, because I know this video is longer than what I want, and I'll just kind of give you a quick overview, and then we'll end it there. So again, you guys, stay safe and be safe if you are directly in the path. Okay, so currently we have about 20 miles per hour wind, maybe a little bit more than that, and it's currently like 95 degrees outside. So we're getting like the back end of the everything that came in last night. And so again, this is nothing compared to what I'm seeing on the internet. We have people whose home have been flooded, underwater. So I just want everybody to be safe and be careful. But really quick, I'll just go ahead and take you through the garden. And like I said, a lot of things are looking the way that they look because we turned the sprinklers off thinking that it was going to dump rain, but I don't think it dumped as much rain as we thought. So a lot of things look a little bad. A couple of the pepper plants got broke, and that's okay. I'll just harvest that off because I didn't have high enough supports anyway. I needed some a little bit higher, and due to the fact that the sprinklers was off, some plants probably have died, but that's okay. All of this stuff can be replaced. Lives cannot be replaced, but this can be replaced. As you see, the wind is still kind of high up here. A few things toppled over. A few things didn't get harvested here. The zinnias, I was going to pull them anyway. I'll probably just let some go to seed. The okra is about 9 feet, so that just kind of leans over. But that's the type of plant the okra is. And I'm just zooming in here because it needs to be harvested. But I was supposed to be doing this anyway and prepping for the fall garden. So this will give me the initiative to go ahead and hurry up and do that and pull up all the stuff and just get ready for the rest. These few little branches and debris and leaves on the ground, I can pick them up and put them in the wheelbarrow and take them out to the road. All of the pots and things that I didn't plant, like the hydrangeas and the things that are on the patio, I already picked those up. They had fallen over, but this is nothing compared to the lives, and they're probably still finding people, you know, because of the hurricane. This just looks like this because we don't have the sprinklers on and the wind blew down the bird bath. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you share this video with your family and your friends. And if you're not a subscriber, we would love to have you as a subscriber, so make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and if you're in the path of Dorian, please be safe and stay safe, and until the next video, bye bye.